Neighbors, what's good? It's your boy, it's your guy, DJ Neighborhood. So what we're gonna be doing today, it's been doing all that raining and flooding in Texas, and randomly it got real sunny and stuff like that. But I had already scheduled some dyno time to go ahead and get the tune and stuff knocked out the way, because I was just tired of like waiting on all the rain and stuff to pass through. I just wanted to get it done because that's like the last thing that I'm currently waiting on. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna put the whip on the dyno to finish the tune up. After we finish the tune up, we'll be good to go. So I'm good on 93. I just got to finish up like the E30. I think I got an hour here. I think I got an hour on the dyno. So yeah, we're just gonna finish out on that E30, and that should be good to go. I think I got maybe like 3 to 4 more revisions left, but it rained like 2 weeks straight in Texas, and every time I thought it was gonna get sunny, it ended up raining again, or it gets sunny for a day and it's still wet and all that. So I was like, you know what, get it done. We just gonna come on to the dyno. So that's what we're gonna do today. What they're doing right now, they're just moving the stuff out the way to get set up. After we get set up and everything like that, you know, I'm gonna go through the car and I'm gonna put it in dyno mode, plug in my dongle and all that stuff. We're gonna get up there and we're just gonna see what the car, we're just gonna finish tuning it on the dyno. And we're gonna go from there. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on everything and see how all that goes and stuff like that. But yeah, that's what we're gonna get into. But yeah, while we wait on that, we got a couple other cars out here. We got this Mero, that's nice. We got this Honda Type R. I ain't never seen this one though, but that one look good. I like that black. We got that red one, That's Shane. I done seen them out and about in the city. It's a good amount of Hondas out here too. You know, got the Mero, another Mero right here. We got some more Type R's right here. Of course, we got the Supra. We got I'm not sure if that's an RS or ST. I'm not sure. Got another Mero. We got a Stain back there. Check this one out. Back there in that corner, way back over there, back there. It's another Type R. That gray look good. If money was right, I'd daily a Type R. Supra on the weekend. But yeah, that look real good, man. Just need to get ready to back the Supra up and bring it on in and get ready to get started and everything like that. We had this up here for the time being. I guess it's probably getting a little work done or something. I'm not sure, but he's gonna back that up. I'm pretty sure it sounds good. Yeah, baby. That thing sound real good. That's a little monster right there, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna grab the Supra and bring it over in. Your app disconnected? All right, Never. So we done with the dyno and everything like that. So the dyno session went good, and everything worked out good. So my IATs were super hot that day, and I think it was also like 92 degrees outside, but even hotter inside the shop where we was doing the dyno. But overall, I think we had ended off. We had ended up with 533 on E27 off in there. The issue I was running into, I was real close to maxing out my low pressure fuel pump. So the way forward, what I plan on doing is upgrading the low pressure fuel pump. I'm thinking about doing the TMS low pressure fuel pump because we got the TMS flex fuel kit. After we get the TMS low pressure fuel pump, I think what we're gonna do next is gonna get the motor reflex. If I'm not mistaken, that low pressure fuel pump is gonna cost about $1,200. I would get one used, but I don't know the ins and outs of everything and how it's supposed to look and things like that. So I don't want to get a used one, and we missing parts and stuff like that. Now I got to track down pieces and bits and they probably don't even sell them with just those pieces that I'm probably missing. So I'm gonna just go ahead and buy it brand new for the low pressure fuel pump. For the motor reflex, I saw a couple people selling those as well, but the issue I'm running into with that is I don't know if the motor reflex is the ones that they're selling, I don't know if I can just use those with my MHD, because that's who I'm tuned by. And I've been told that depending on which one you have, some of them are specific to the platform that you're using, which for me, my platform is MHD. I'm not on Ecutech or BM3. So for me, I would just try to make sure that I can get one that works with MHD, but I don't want to run into the issue of doing that either. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just buy that new as well. I think that's gonna cost me maybe another $1,200. I think I can't. I'm not too sure, but that's that. So after I do that, I'm just gonna do get back on the dyno, rerun it with the tuner. Another thing that we're gonna do after that. So I've seen a lot of people upgrade this, CSL, EOS, and things like that. I've seen some Project Gammas, Do 88. I think I'm gonna do polished aluminum right here to make that a little better. Another thing, I needed some injectors. I reached out to the people that tuned the car for me. They told me they can help me out, give me a deal on some injectors like that. So I look forward to doing that. As far as the update on the wheels go, so I sold my my drag pack I had on the back because they had this thing going on where you can take your OEM wheels and turn them into a drag pack. So that's what I was going to do. That's what I'm trying to do. The only thing that's delayed me from doing that is, I'll show you on the front. I was at work one day, I got off, and this happened. So I was going to replace it and just get another front bumper, but I thought about it. So all the front bumpers that I was finding, they cost like $1,000. And some of them not even paint match. So that'll be $1,000 plus however much it costs to get the bumper paint match. So what I'm going to do is, instead, I was just going to try to get me an agile front bumper. So the $1,000 replacement is fine, but it's like, why spend $1,000? It's already cracked. I'm gonna get another one. So why spend $1,000? I can just save that and put an extra $800 with it and get an agile front bumper. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. That's what I'm in the process of doing. But now it's just the order of importance. So I threw the stock wheels back on there for the time being. I just updated the tires because the tires were bald as a baby. So I needed some tires. So I just put those on there. We went with the Nittos R2s, got those. So we put those on there, and so far so good. I haven't had any issues. Once it's warmed up and everything, it goes. So no issues with that. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So that's the plan. That's the plan and the way moving forward. It's just a process of elimination right now. Well, the order of importance for me, I think the biggest thing I want to do first is go ahead and knock out that low pressure fuel pump. So that's what I'm going to do first. After I do the low pressure fuel pump, I think what we'll come around and do would be the I'm trying to figure out if I want to do the motor reflex or if I want to do the injectors. The injectors might be a little bit cheaper than the motor reflex, but I'm leaning more towards the injectors because I need both of those to go hand in hand, if I'm not mistaken, due to the fact that I can't run the injectors because the injectors are going to go on the manifold, but I have a port plate, so technically I could just upgrade my port plate and put the injectors on, and with the low pressure fuel pump, get back on the dyno and just see if I can turn it up a little more and go to E50. So that's another route for the time being. But yeah, I know for sure I want to take care of that low pressure fuel pump. But other than that, that was pretty much it. So, but overall, the dyno video was, that was that. The kit's still holding up strong. So far so good. I haven't had any issues, haven't had any complaints so far. Like I said, the biggest thing for me after I was getting it situated was getting the OEM wastegate situated. Other than that, after I got that done, it was no issues and nothing like that. So pretty much that's it for the most part when it comes to that. Still got the forged carbon. Somebody coming through here. What's that? Snack pack, light work. So the way forward with these is, what I think I'm going to do, it's hard to find a lot of things in forged carbon fiber. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to swap these out, well, sell these and get regular carbon fiber. So I can get the carbon fiber fenders, carbon fiber mirror caps. And I'm going to do the carbon fiber duck bill. The issue is I'm stuck between the two of just doing the carbon fiber duck bill or doing the spoiler thing. I'm stuck between doing those. Other than what I just said, the way forward with the low pressure fuel pump and things like that. But other than that, neighbors, that's pretty much it. And guess I'll catch y'all on the next one. Neighborhood out.